as you can see, I have red lipstick on, and red lipstick is so much on trend in 2025. I'll teach you how to apply the red lipstick properly. Today I'm going for the red lipstick look because red lips are in fashion nowadays. It's on trend in 2025, so I'll go for the red lipstick look today. Starting with my concealer. So right now I have applied a lip balm. This is the lip balm, Nivea lip balm. Okay, I just started with that lip balm. Now I will go ahead with my concealer. I'm going to do the concealer work. So this is the concealer brush, taking some concealer, applying at the corners because we want the red lipstick to pop. I'm taking it like this. So with the beauty blender, I am blending my concealer with the beauty blender so that I can get some clean lines around my lips. Okay, let's start with the application. So this is my Color Bar lip pencil, red lip pencil. Okay, I need to sharpen it. See, I have just sharpened it. Now I'll start with the outer lining of lips first. Always do the cross like this. Okay, this is my outer line. Go outward and then go inward. Okay, like this. Don't worry if you mess up. Okay, don't worry if you mess up. Now go to the downwards. Outer line. Inner line. Okay. Okay. Don't worry if a little bit is out because I will use my earbuds to do that, to clean it. So let's focus on the lips first. Now, this is a very nice red color, guys, just matching with my nail paint also. So I'll go ahead and fill the lip liner first. Okay, I'll fill my lips with the lip liner first. Okay, this is a nice shade. Wow, it's already done. But I'm yet to apply the lipstick. So today I'm applying Bobbi Brown lipstick. You can have your own any red lipstick. If in case you wanna go for a nice red lipstick, then Chanel has a nice red lipstick. Even Tom Ford has a very nice red lipstick. Today I'm using Bobbi Brown lipstick. Okay. So this is the lipstick, Bobbi Brown, and I'm using my applicator. I'm taking the lipstick, the applicator, and I start filling it. Now, I always recommend filling it with your lip liner first. That way both the colors will mash up and give a very nice finishing. My Bobbi Brown. These two colors perfectly match with each other, so I really like it. Yeah. So girls, anytime you mess up like how I messed up, we always have earbuds. Use your earbuds. I'll take some earbuds. Don't worry. You have to be careful with the red lipstick, but yeah, sometimes we are still gonna mess up the game, so that's what you do. Use earbuds to remove it. Okay, but we still need more cleaning because it's red lipsticks, so I have my concealer, so I'll finish it up. So this is my concealer, guys. This is my concealer brush. Take the excess and rectify it here. That's it. Any linings you feel not okay, just clean it. Okay, I'm cleaning it. You can see instantly the area around my lips is cleaned up. But this is not enough, guys. You need to use your beauty blender to properly blend it afterwards. So I'm blending in. Okay, and I'll finish up this part also, don't worry. Perfect. Is normally when you go for a red lipsticks, I would encourage you to go for a proper Lux lipsticks, but you can have other lipsticks also, which I will mix right now. It's Revlon, it's by Revlon, and this lipstick is by Bobbi Brown. So let me mix the two. You can buy, if you are going for luxury lipsticks, go for the Bobbi Brown. I'll tell you the shades, don't worry. And I have the applicator with me, using the applicator. I feel when it comes to red lipsticks, using the applicator is generally best, because then you can easily do the modifications if in case you want to change anything. So this is the Bobbi Brown shade I'm applying over my lip liner. I'll tell you the shade in the description box, don't worry. And whenever you are going for a red lipstick, to go for a golden, today I'm applying the golden eyeshadow. Use the golden eyeshadow or a dark brown or even a light brown eyeshadow. That will look really nice on you when you're going for a red lip. 2025, red lipsticks are in fashion, so go get yourself a really nice red lipstick, guys. Now, once I'm done with the lipstick application, matching with my lip color perfectly, now I'm applying and mixing it with the Revlon shade. I don't have to, but just wanted to show you the Revlon shade as well. So I'm mixing the two lipsticks. You can do the same. You can mix the two lipsticks, girls. You can also do the same. You can mix the two lipsticks. This is the Bobbi Brown luxury lipstick, and I'm mixing it with a Revlon lipstick today, but I'm happy to go with this color. But I have this color also, and I like to mix and match the red shades. I don't know why I do it. I just love to do it. So in case you want a luxury lipsticks, the Chanel and Tom Ford as well as Bobbi Brown is best for red colors. And otherwise, if you just want to go for a regular lipstick, I would encourage you to buy this Revlon one. It's really nice. Let me show you the color, okay? So let's go with the Revlon. So this is how the shade looks like, guys. Guys, most of the time it happens we don't have time to wash our brushes, because I'm a lazy girl. This is a lazy girl hack. So this is what I have. I have Cosluxe makeup brush cleaner. You can also buy this brush cleaners. Let me show you. So just open it. You have to dip your brushes here. You can see this is the it looks like a shoe cleaner type of a thing, but I have this lipstick application and I want to remove this color and I want to use my Revlon lipstick color. So any brushes, in case you want to wash, in case you want to you don't have time for washing your makeup brushes, which you should do, but since we are lazy and we don't have a lot of time and we have to apply it, and sometimes we have to change the color of the lipsticks, and lip applicator is just one. So what you're gonna do, अगर एक ही लिप एप्लीकेटर है और आपको अलग अलग कलर की लिपस्टिक्स एप्लीकेटर से लगानी है या कोई भी कंसीलर या कुछ भी लगाना है एंड आपको इसका कलर हटाना है, मे बी फॉर द आई शेडो यू आर यूजिंग जस्ट वन आई शेडो ब्रश और आई शेडो के कलर चेंज होते रहते हैं, तो आप उसको कैसे साफ करोगे? तो dip it here. Okay, I have dipped it, and when I dipped it, you can see the color is going away. Now in case of my red lipstick, anyways it's a red lipstick, but I want to use my Revlon lip color, so I'm just removing it, and you can see I almost removed it. Just dip it here. You can buy it from Amazon. As you can see, I have almost cleaned my makeup brush with this, and I'm now ready to apply the Revlon red color lipstick, which I really want to try today. So let's try it. Okay, so this is done, guys. I'll put everything in the description box. My brush cleaner. Okay, now let's start with my Revlon lipstick. So it has a nice color, red color. Now I'm applying it, and you can see how I'm applying it. I'm taking the... So girls, you have to be really careful when you are applying the red lipstick because you don't want anything spilling. You have to be really careful not to, mess with your clothes, especially the white clothes, because I really like the white clothes in a red lipstick, which I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna wear white, but you have to be really careful when you are dealing with the red lipsticks. So since it is coming off again and again, I'm applying it carefully. I took the Revlon, and now let me see the color. The color of the Revlon I personally really like more than the this Bobbi Brown, because this color of Revlon goes more well with my skin tone, guys. So I'm applying it. That's why I'm applying it on top of the Bobbi Brown shade. But as I said, the luxury lipsticks are very highly pigmented lipsticks. So that's why I use Bobbi Brown first, because I want my lips to look like it is red color by default, and I will not get a better pigmentation if I'm not applying a luxury lipstick. So for a better pigmentation, I applied the Bobbi Brown lipstick, but now I want a nice shade of red, because there are some shades of red which doesn't go well with our skin tone. I have a nice skin tone, but still I like this skin tone color really nice on me, the Revlon one color. The color is really nice, so I'll show you. I'm just applying this color on top of my Bobbi Brown, just for the color, because I really like this color more. Okay, it's such a nice color. You can apply these, since Valentine Day is coming, you can apply it during your Valentine events too. I really like this color. Oh my god, this is such a dark, not a dark red, but such a nice red color. And also, if you are going out on a date and you ever want to avoid a guy kissing on you on a date, just wear a red lipstick, girls. That's how you can avoid any unwanted kissing on the dates, because the guy cannot kiss you. Otherwise, red will be all over on his shirts. So, story time, guys. I always come up with the story times. So, one time I went on a date with a guy and I was wearing this red lipstick. So, my red lipstick is done. This is how it looks, and I really like the look. So, I'll just change my clothing and I'll go out for the day. This is the Revlon lipstick, and this is how the color looks like. It looks really nice on my skin. So, story time, girls. So, I went out on a date with a guy wearing my red lipstick on, and it was a nice date. Okay, so after the date, now since that's what I said, if you don't want a guy, and I don't want any lady to kiss on a first date, please never ever kiss on a first date. I just don't like it. So I went on a date with a guy, and it was a nice date. He was a gentleman. So while coming back from the date, it was about a goodbye hug. So because this guy was wearing white t-shirt, so let me tell you the story first, and then I will explain you what you can do to not mess things up. Since I had red lipstick on, and the guy hugged me, gave me a goodbye kiss, but he was wearing a white t-shirt, and he was a very tall guy. So when he hugged me, my face was on his chest. Okay, so obviously I was having red lipstick on, and then he had a white t-shirt, so you can imagine the rest. I didn't notice it because it was about to depart and date was over, and he was just dropping me home safely and giving me a goodbye hug to say it was a nice date and whatever. And after that, the guy messaged me like, yeah, it was a nice date, and I really like you and whatever. But I was more concerned because by that time I realized, oh my God, he was wearing a white shirt, and I literally gave my print red lipstick print on his new white t-shirt. And I was so embarrassed to ask him how his t-shirt is. But still, I got some confidence and I asked him, are you okay? Your dress is okay. Did you check your dress? And he was like, you know what? I know what you're trying to say. And I'm like, what? And he's like, yes, I got the print of your beautiful red lipstick, of your beautiful red lips on my white t-shirt. And I'm like, oh my God, what people will think. I'm so sorry, I ruined your white t-shirt. And he was like, no. He felt it, in fact, so romantic. He was like, I'm so happy I got your red lips on my white t-shirt. It's like your signature on my white shirt. I'm gonna keep it forever. I'll make sure that even during laundry nothing happens. And I'm like, why? He's like, yeah, because I like it. So if in case you don't want this to happen, you don't want your prints or signature prints of red lipstick on the clothes, so here is the trick. Use the powder. Let me show you. As I said, I don't want my red lipsticks on anyone's white t-shirt. Well, I did it once and the guy really liked it, but I was so embarrassed that, no man, I ruined your white t-shirt. I'm so sorry. And how can I make up for it? And he was like, no, actually, I really liked your red lips on my white t-shirt. I'm like, why? Because he was like, I really liked you as a person. And this is a reminder that we had a goodbye hug. And it was so special to me. That hug was so special to me. So I'm gonna keep it. But I don't want you ladies to do that thing. Sometimes it may not be romantic for the other guy. It was romantic for this guy, but it might not be romantic for the other guy. So what you can do is, you don't want your lipstick to get spilled. Take the tissue paper. Any tissue paper will do, just like I have this tissue paper, okay? And number one thing is just remove the excess by doing this. Okay, now it removed a lot of excess part. The next thing you have to do is, so here is the powder, right? You need a powder for that. So put this in front of your lips, okay? And on top of it, you have to apply the powder. Let me apply it, okay? Let me do it for you. So, okay, so I just have it. This is my powder. Let's have something here. It doesn't have to be the finishing powder. You can use any powder, any regular talcum powder also to do this trick, okay? So this trick you can do. Now what happened is, there are some pores in the tissue paper. Because there are some pores in the tissue paper, this powder will lock in your lipstick. Now this lipstick is not gonna spill at all, and you can easily eat your meals. It will not spill. Try it. Use your talcum powder also, not a problem. You can use this powder also, your finishing powder. Right now I have talcum powder, but then I have to go and I'm a lazy girl. So I will use my regular finishing powder. So this is, you can see clearly, it looks so nice on my skin. The color red. Use your golden eyeshadow to match with a nice red lipstick color. Now I'm already done with the lipstick application part. So you can go ahead with this red lipstick application, or else if you really want to make it more glossier, which I normally do because I like that, so then you can use your lip oil. So now, since I'm done with my lip liner, I'm done with my lipstick application, um, I'm using my lip oil today to give it a nice glowy finish. And you can see instantly it gives a nice finish, guys. I really like this lip oil. And I'll put everything in the description box, so don't worry. Use this lip oil for extra glossy finish on your red lipsticks. So this is how it's looking I have applied golden eyeshadow. You can go for golden eyeshadow, or if not golden eyeshadow, I would encourage you to go for some nice brownish eyeshadow with your eyeliners. Okay, like it's looking really nice on my lids. And you can also try the same. Red lipsticks are so much in right now. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and do let me know, do you like my red lipstick? Okay, follow for more.